Good evening, I'm Lavinia Rendiva. Chinese President Hu Jintao met with Fijian President Ratuipelli Nailatikau in Shenzhen, a city of South China's Guangdong province. His Excellency Nailatikau was in China to attend the opening ceremony of the 26th Summer Universiade that was held last Friday.
Chinese President Hu Jintao expressed the belief that the visit by the Fijian President Ratuipelli Nailatikau to mainland China last week will further advance Fiji and China's friendly cooperative relations. His Excellency Hu made the remarks as he met Ratuipelli last Friday. He also expressed appreciation on Ratuipelli for emphasizing the importance of further developing relations with mainland China. Ratuipelli Nailatikau in response said it was a great honor for him to come to China and to attend the Universiade, to which he referred to as the Minor Olympics. He was also glad that the youths of the world will gather in Shenzhen to celebrate over the next 2 weeks. He said although he had visited China on many occasions, each of the visit was a fresh adventure. Since the two countries established diplomatic links some 36 years ago, China and Fiji have seen remarkable growth on their bilateral relations. The two countries respect and treat each other as equals as they carried out fruitful cooperation in the areas of politics, economy, culture, and education. Furthermore, the two countries have maintained frequent contacts between their leaders and high-level officials. China has been providing Fiji with economic and technological assistance within its own capacity, while Fiji has lent support to China on issues of its core interest. However, Fiji has become one of the major destinations of overseas travel by Chinese citizens since 2004. This has also seen an increase in number of Chinese students studying in this South Pacific island nation.
Government has initiated community consultation to help the terms of reference for the Waisoi project in regards to copper and other minerals in the Namosi region. The Namosi joint venture is currently focusing on a potential copper deposit near the Waisoi area.
The Namosi joint venture, a group of 3 companies, is pleased that government has confirmed that under the Environmental Act 2005, the Waisoi project requires environmental and social studies to be done to assess the potential impacts of a mine in the area. These studies are part of what is known as an environmental impact assessment process to ensure all issues are fully understood and taken into account before construction to the mine can proceed, the formal mechanism by which the government would approve of the Waisoi project. The public is invited to participate in this process at Nambuka Luka Village, Naitasiri on Tuesday 16th August at 10 a.m., the Nosori Catholic Church Hall on Wednesday 17 August at 10 a.m., while Suba is scheduled at 9 a.m. for Friday 19 August 2011 at JJ's on the Park. The AIA studies will be conducted by Golda & Associates, a leading international consultancy firm and the Institute of Applied Science from the University of the South Pacific. The AIA studies should be completed during the first half of 2012 and a report will then be given to the local community, and interested stakeholders are welcome for additional submissions before the AIA is lodged with government.
There have been 66 cases of unlawful detentions pending in court, which is a concern. The Deputy Commissioner of Police, Isikeli Lingairi, said it is a concern and has made a call to all police stations to produce persons in custody to court or to bail them within a legally allowed time to cut down on civil litigations against the police force.
The decision is aligned to the transformation of the force in becoming more operationally effective and efficient. All divisional police commanders are advised to impress upon officers in supervisory roles within stations like divisional crime officers, station officers and crime officers to constantly monitor the status of persons in custody. Keeping a person in custody longer than that must be with the approval of the court, especially for serious offences like murder. 48 hours is the allowed time frame for a person to be held in custody. Meanwhile, Emory Rambo Sr., the driver of the Fiji Times vehicle FK195 that was involved in an accident in Nandi earlier this week, has been charged with aggravated dangerous driving occasioning death. The 50-year-old man is expected to appear before Magistrate Ajmer Khan. Mr. Rambo has been bailed for $1,000 with surety and is to report every Saturday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. at the Nakasi police station and not interfere with prosecution witnesses. He will appear in court on 23rd September 2011.
Kiwi youth visitor impressed with Fiji, and a man in hospital after accident. Those stories and more after the break.
The Ministry of Information is looking for news anchors for its Fiji Today news. The anchors will work with the news team on a daily basis and weekends. If you have a good command of English, can work flexible hours, and think you have what it takes to become a television anchor, then send your CVs to Fiji Focus TV at info.gov.fj or your written applications to Fiji Today Presenter, Box 2225, Government Building, Suva.